First, start by measuring where the center of the ball stud connects to the knuckle to the end of the inner tie rod that connects to the rack. Write down this measurement for later use. Disconnect the outer tie rod from the knuckle first and remove it. Remove the clamp around the inner tie rod and slide the bellows off to access the inner joint. With an inner tie rod removal tool or crescent wrench, remove the inner tie rod from the rack. Thread the inner tie rod into the steering rack and tighten to 89 foot-pounds using the inner tie rod removal tool and the torque wrench. With the inner joint tightened, slip the bellows over the top of the steering rack and install with a supplied clamp. Slide the supplied clamp over the boot to seal the inner tie rod to the steering rack. Install the outer tie rod end into the knuckle and tighten the castle nut. Torque the castle nut to 46 foot-pounds. Note, the Apex chassis logo should be facing right side up on the outer tie rod. Now you can install your cotter pins. If you can't see through the castle nut, continue tightening until the cotter key pin can pass through. We recommend using medium strength thread locker under the jam nuts and then tightening the jam nut to 100 foot-pounds. Now install your Zerk fittings. Apex tie rods are pre-greased, however a small amount can be added if necessary. Over-greasing can cause the boot to rip or come apart, which isn't covered under warranty. Repeat the process on the other side and you're almost done. It's at this point we highly recommend engaging with a professional to get the alignment set properly. That's it, your install is complete. Make sure to check your boots and the jam nut torque at every oil change.